Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day to you. Anyone joining us from all over the world. This is TOSJOHN Consulting, your strategic business growth support partner. We are your strategic business support partner. That is why we are always here showing up to give you practical business strategy, business information, business knowledge. We are dishing it out to you in a practical, simple way for you to and stay compliant. And of course, we are at your service. We are available for you to work with you, to partner with you for growth on taxes, CAC, on accounting, on auditing, on business compliance, business strategy. So you can reach out to us on all our professional consulting services. We have over 200 videos on this YouTube channel that you can watch, and they are practical business videos and knowledge that will help your business to and thrive in this year 2026. For the Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025, we have dissected all the aspects of the Nigerian Tax Reform Act. So you can watch them from part 1 to 8 on CAC, how to stay compliant, registering as a business owner, as an enterprise, for business name, for enter a limited liability company, for your annual return filing. It's very important for your monthly tax filings. For March 2025, we have brought you the March compliance videos. We have them on how to price your product for profit. We have them choosing the right business structure. We have them on every aspect of your business. We have all the live videos. You can watch them, and please make sure you share our channels to other business owners. Let them subscribe, and you yourself subscribe, like all our videos, and reach out to us. We are always at your service. So in this live streaming session, it is very important. We are bringing you a practical live videos, and the title is the 5 tax mistakes that trigger NRS audit, Nigerian guide. The 5 tax mistakes that trigger NRS. NRS means Nigerian Revenue Service, formerly Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS, but it is now called NRS. So what triggered their audits? What makes them to and audit you? It triggered it. It speed it up. It makes them, to have a suspicious about your business. What are the tax mistakes that can trigger these NRS audits? And you can see we are helping your business so that you put the right thing in place, put the right record in place, do the right thing in your business that will help you, avoid all the pressures and, trauma and disruptions from the regulatory authorities. CAC, they've delisted over 400,000 businesses from their because of non-compliance. So compliance is now an asset for you, and it protects you. Compliance is no longer an expense, it is an asset. Based on this Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025, there are a lot of tax reliefs, tax exemptions that you can, enjoy if you can stay on. So that is why we are here, to help your business to grow. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So that is your noble responsibility to us as you are dishing out all these practical videos. Please make sure you subscribe, like all our videos, and also share with other business. So the 5 tax mistakes that trigger Nigerian Revenue Service audits, the Nigerian guide. So let's get into this live streaming session. So I'm asking you this serious question, and we want you to be honest, sincere in your response. Put it in the comment section. If the tax authorities reviewed your business records today, would you be confident or worried? We ask this question again. If the tax authorities reviewed your business records today, would you be confident or worried? Please provide a honest answer in the comment section, because we are making this live session interactive. We are making it engaging for you. We want to interact with you. We want you to engage with us on this live streaming. That's why we are bringing all these questions to you. And please make sure you answer it honestly, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you know other business owners around you, please share it with them. Let them come and subscribe and like all our videos, and of course reach out to us on all our consulting services. So many Nigerian business owners don't get audited because they are unlucky, right? They get audited because they triggered it. There's something triggered audit, right? And these are the mistakes that you'll be looking at so that you can avoid it. So today, we'll be exposing the 5 common tax mistakes that triggered audits from the Nigerian Revenue Service, formerly known as Federal Inland Revenue Service, and how you can avoid becoming the next target, the next victim. So we are TOSJOHN Consulting. As you all know, we help Nigerian business owners to build structured, profitable, and compliant business, and of course sustainable. So if you value compliance and peace of mind, please type no audits in the comment section. So it's not that audit is a witch hunting. Audit is necessary from the Nigerian Revenue Service, but you may not be due for audit, right? But if you do what will trigger it, they will come even before the audit due. So that's why you must avoid the tax mistake that will be dishing out to you on this live streaming session. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. As you are watching now, give it a thumbs up and type no audit in the comment section to show that you are actually focused on this live streaming session. Thank you for staying through on this live streaming session. We appreciate it. So if you value compliance and peace of mind, type no in the comment section. So let's delve into this video. Why tax audits happen? Why does tax audit, why does it happen? So tax audits are not random. We want you to know that they are not random. They are often triggered by number one, inconsistent filings. If your filing is inconsistent, it will trigger audit. Suspicious patterns, third party data mismatch, third party data mismatches will trigger it. Then industry risk profiling will trigger tax audit. So in 2026, compliance monitoring is becoming more digital and data driven. So we'll be breaking this common tax mistake that trigger tax audit. So number one mistake, inconsistent VAT reporting. Inconsistent VAT reporting. So if your VAT filings fluctuate abnormally, or you don't align with the revenue size, it raises a red flag. It raises a red flag. So for example, this is a practical live session. I'll be giving a practical example. So for example, you have high bank flows, low declared sales. If we take that again, you have high bank inflows, money coming in into your business, but you have a low declared sales. You have a repeated nil returns. You are filing nil returns despite high bank inflows. Then VAT is filed monthly with the Nigerian Revenue Service. Inconsistency invites scrutiny. Inconsistency invites examination into what you are filing. Is it correct? Is it not correct? That is what triggers tax audits. So number two mistake, failure to remit withholding tax. Failure to remit withholding tax. We've explained this withholding tax. We have a video on it. So we may not be explaining the withholding on this video. We have a video on it and watch it. So failure to remit withholding tax, right, will trigger tax audit. So many businesses deduct withholding, but delay the remittance or they don't even remit it. So this will create exposure because number one, may claim credit. That withholding tax is vendors' credit that will be used to reduce their tax liability. So if you don't remit, right, it will trigger tax audit, and the vendors that you are deducting the withholding tax from, they will come to ask for their tax credit of the withholding tax. So the Nigerian Revenue Service system can detect mismatches. Everything is now digital. So if there's any mismatch, it will trigger the tax audit. So unremitted withholding tax is one of the fastest way to trigger enforcement action. Unremitted withholding tax is one of the fastest ways to trigger enforcement action. Even though there are lots of exemptions and reliefs in this Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025, but if you don't comply, right, you will not enjoy those exemptions. So mistake number 3, payroll under declaration. Payroll under declaration. Your payroll is supposed to be 20 million, you are declaring 10 million. So this under declaration will trigger tax audit. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel if this is your first time of joining our live streaming session, and please like our video. So this payroll under declaration, right? For example, you have 10 employees, but you declare payee for only 3 of them. That discrepancies can attract investigation. So especially if you operate in Lagos State and file with the Lagos State Internal Revenue Service, it will attract investigation. So payroll inconsistency are easy to detect. It is very easy to detect. So mistake number 4, ignoring company income tax filing. You are ignoring company income tax filing. For example, the 2025 company income tax filing is already on, and the deadline is right away. So you need to comply with it. So if you are ignoring company income tax filing, it will trigger tax by the Nigerian Revenue Service. So if your business, even if your business make little or no profits, you must still file returns. Hi, thank you for joining us on this live streaming session. I appreciate you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos. Give it a thumbs up. We appreciate you. Also share it with other personal and entrepreneur around you. So even if your business made little or no profit, you must still file. You must still file. It's very important. So failure to file annual tax returns signals non-compliance. It signals compliance. So repeated late filing increases audit risks. Repeated late filing increases audit risks. So mistake number 5, please, all these mistakes, you need to avoid them. And how can you avoid them? Reach out to us. Let us help you to put compliances in place, and we can serve as your tax consultant, as your external auditor, as your professional business consultant, and of course, your strategic business growth support partner. So in mistake number 5, poor record keeping. Poor record keeping is a big mistake. So if you cannot provide sales records, expenses receipts, bank statements, tax remittance evidence, you are exposed already. So during an audit, documentation is your defense. During an audit, during tax audit, documentation is your defense. And that documentation will not start that day of your audit. It will start when your business starts. When business starts, you start the documentation. Now that your business is starting out, you need to start putting the documentation in place. That is why we are here to serve as your professional consultant, business consultant, tax consultant, account consultant. We are always here to help you. We are your strategic business growth support partner. So if you don't have all this documentation, you will not be able to defend yourself with the tax authority. So no records equals to estimated assessment. Don't have record, they will just do best of judgment and slam you with a heavy tax that you need to pay. So you need to have put your documentation in place. So, and estimated assessments are really in your favor. Estimated assessments are really in your favor. It is not in your favor because you have not done the right thing. So it will not be in your favor. So here are the signs that you may be at risk right now as we are talking. You have missed multiple filings deadlines. You mix personal and business money together. Your revenue doesn't match your lifestyle growth. And vendors complain about your uncredited withholding tax. Vendors are complaining. Contractors are complaining. Your suppliers are complaining that you are not remitting their withholding tax. You deduct, but you are not remitting. This means that you are now at risk. So if this sounds familiar to you, it's time to fix all this mess. So how do you protect your business? Are your audit prevention strategy. Your audit prevention strategy. Number one, file all returns. Even if it is new, you must still file it to stay compliant and avoid these risks that will be coming when the tax authority come for audit. Number two, reconcile bank statements monthly. Weekly, you must reconcile. Then maintain proper bookkeeping and accounting record. Set aside tax reserve. We have said it in some of our videos. You can watch them. And set aside tax reserves. Conduct an internal compliance review yearly, even quarterly. Conduct an internal compliance review on a quarterly basis. Then keep your company filings updated with the Corporate Affairs Commission. We are a CAC accredited agent. Let's help you to file your CAC annual returns up to date. You have registered your business for 6 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago. You have not filed a single filing. Your business is already at risk and it might be delisted from the CAC register if you don't file. And you cannot do it by yourself. We are your CAC accredited agents. Reach out to us and let us help you to file your CAC annual returns. So prevention is cheaper than penalty. If you prevent all this, it is cheaper than when you are slammed with penalty. So we'll be asking you this practical question. Have you filed all your VAT returns this year? Have you done it? Have you filed all your VAT returns before the deadline? Then are your payee and withholding remittances up to date? Are they up to date? Do you keep digital copies of your receipts? Are you keeping all the receipts? Are they in place? When was your last compliance review? When do you carry out compliance review for your business, for your company? So we want your sincere and honest answer to all these questions. Put it in the comment section. And if you need all our professional consulting services, please reach out to us. So this is your action plan. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, this video, and reach out to us on all our professional consulting services. So the action plan for you as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as a professional is that if you are unsure about your compliance status, don't wait for an audit notice. At TOSJOHN Consulting, we help businesses to conduct tax health check, to file their annual returns with CAC and of course with the tax authority, to fix filing errors, to reconcile all your outstanding liabilities, to build a strong compliance system. We are here for you. So send DM, reach out to us. We have all our contacts on this YouTube channel. please reach out to us. Send us a DM with the word audit safe, and we will be willing and ready to help you, to support you in your business journey. We are your strategic business growth support partner. Let's secure your business. Let's secure your business. Let's keep it healthy before regulators come knocking. Before they come knocking and you'll be having pressure, let us help you to secure your business and keep it clean and compliance ready. So tax audit destroy businesses. Poor preparation does. And compliance is not optional. It is your protection. Stay structured, stay protected, and stay profitable and sustainable. This is the practical live video we are bringing to you. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time of watching us, like all our videos, and of course, share with other business owners and reach out to us on all our consulting services. We are your strategic business growth support partner. Feel free to reach out to us and let us take your business to another level and keep it compliance ready. So thank you for joining us on this live streaming. We'll see you in another live streaming session. For now, like our videos, subscribe, share with other business owners, and reach out to us. Bye.